Ever wondered how to register on an ERP system like Engonus? Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll need to access the Engonus platform through your web browser. You can find us at PDA-engonus.s. Once you've arrived at our homepage, you'll notice two side menus. The first one is your gateway to heaps of useful documentation and video guides that will help you navigate and make the most of our system. To kick things off, you'll need to head over to the other side menu and click on the option titled Get Our Service. This is where the magic begins. As you may have guessed, your next step is to register. It's a straightforward process. Just enter your username, email, and a password. Make sure to re-enter the password to ensure there are no typos. Occasionally, you may encounter a field asking for a verification code. Don't panic. This is just an additional security step. You'll have received this code either via email or along with the PDA or the product you've purchased from us. However, this field doesn't always appear, so don't worry if you don't see it. Now comes an important part. Remember to accept the privacy terms and mark the reCAPTCHA checkbox. This ensures that you're not a robot and that you agree with our data handling practices. Once you've done that, click on Accept or Send. Shortly after, you should receive an email asking you to confirm your account. Make sure to check your inbox and follow the instructions as prompted. By doing this, you're verifying your email and completing the registration process. And there you have it. You've successfully registered on the Engonus ERP system. But don't stop there. Keep an eye out for our next guide that will walk you through the login process and help you set up your company on our platform. That concludes the registration process. Now let's move on to how to log into your new Engonus account. Now that you're registered, you might be wondering how to log in and set up your company on Engonus. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to use the username and password you've just created to log in. If you used your email as your username during registration, you'll enter that. After you've entered your credentials, you're in. You're now inside our management system, and as you may notice, it's currently empty, but not for long. To create your company, look for the green Create Company button at the top. Give it a click and you'll be taken to our plans page. Here you'll see different plans we offer. Whether you're just starting out and looking for our free plan or need something more comprehensive, we've got you covered. Once you've selected the plan that best suits your needs, it's time to specify the sector your company belongs to. This helps us tailor the Engonus experience to your industry. Next, you'll be asked to enter some basic information about your company. This is where you'll put in details like your company's name, address, and contact information. Take your time and make sure everything is accurate. Now take a moment to breathe. You've done it. Your business is now created on Engonus. As you navigate through the platform, you'll notice a side menu on your left. This menu houses all the functionalities available for your selected plan. Take some time to familiarize yourself with these features. They're designed to help you manage your business more efficiently. And don't forget about the language selection option in the top menu. Engonus is a global platform, and we want to make sure you're comfortable navigating in your preferred language. And there you have it. Your company is now set up on Engonus, and you're ready to explore the functionalities of this ERP system. Remember, Engonus is an ERP with app and integration in Iiot devices. Enjoy exploring.